Hello everyone, this is Shritanvi Das and today I'll be talking about the Cashify business model. The company Cashify handles the e-commerce and refurbished market digitally. So now let's talk about the start of the company. The company started in 2009, but the idea of the business model clicked in 2013. By 2015, the company got their first funding of $1 million dollars, and by 2019 they had opened 15 offices from where they operate at this moment. The company till now has got a funding of $13 million dollars overall, which might not seem a huge amount when compared to other startups, but for a business model like this is a decent amount of funding that they have received till now. Their business model is based on the concept of re-commerce, where they repair old technical stuff and sell them on e-commerce platforms. These mostly include refurbished goods and recycled goods. So how does Cashify work? It's basically a C2B model where they buy things from the customers in a lesser price, repair them, and then sell them again in the month. This is also similar to what the local tech shops do, but Cashify is doing it on a large scale and also digitally in the month. The items that Cashify usually focuses on are smartphones, laptops, refurbished smart devices, and many more other things.
Now let's talk about the website of the Classify. There are different categories available in the Classify app, which includes sell old devices and buy refurbished, repair service, instant cash, etc. In in the category of sell old smartphones, which include sell of smartphones, laptops, tablets, smartwatches, gaming consoles, etc. and accessories too. Sell of smartphones includes users sell various brands like Xiaomi, Samsung, Apple, Vivo, and many others. In this platform, people get instant price quote based on the device condition and specification, and same for the laptops, tablets, and many more. And we have other categories like buy refurbished, where refurbished smartphones, laptops, and accessories are available in the Classify. It also includes repair service, which includes repair of damaged screen guards, accessories like cables, data cables, and for the laptops, we have a repair service for hardware and software, etc.
Talking about their USP is that you don't need to go anywhere to sell your phone. They will directly come to your house at your location, pick up your phone, and they will directly give you the cash, hand in hand transaction. And you don't have to worry about anything. And if we talk about the second USP is that they are building trust. They are selling you their brand, not just a used smartphone or anything, any accessories. They are selling their trust, their brand, because they are giving you 6 months warranty. If you go to any local vendor and any local shop, if you purchase any second hand smartphone, they will not give you any warranty, I'm sure. But they are providing warranty. Maybe it would be of 6 months or 1 year warranty. That depends on the product. And yes, now they are also working in franchise model. If any local vendor wants to open his shop with a name Cashify, yes, they can. They have to directly visit their website, fill all the basic details, and fulfill their basic requirements. And just you are done. You are done. You can open your shop with a name Cashify over it. And yes, they may charge you certain amount of certain percentage of commission on your profit. It's obvious because they are providing you their brand name. So if you see anywhere Cashify stores, it's not necessary that it belongs to them. But yes, it may be a franchisee